Okay, I can't believe this shit. So a friend of mine told me that you can spray WD-40 on a rag and wipe your wind or your headlights down and get that nasty fog off of it. Well, I'll be damned. Look at this shit. Here's that headlight. I haven't done this one yet, but you can clearly see there's a nice little fog on it. Look at that. Look at that. Here. Let's spray this rag and give this a little wipe down here. Oh my God, look at that. There ain't no reason in going and spending 40, 50 bucks on that wind. That's insane. Get some WD-40. Wow. That is insane. I cannot believe that. Well, that's cool. Enjoy.